So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deposit money into your account here on Moomoo. So in order to do this, open up Moomoo, go to the bottom to where it says accounts, in between markets and news, press on accounts. Now, right in the middle, I'll just go ahead and press on all, for example. Where it says shortcuts here or funds, simply press on the deposit icon. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select your currency. So I'm in Canada, so I would in this case select CAD. But if you want to, add American currency or USD, you can press that as well. Now there's three different options you can do this. You can go online bill payment, wire transfer, or an EFT transfer. So you can go ahead and select whatever one you're looking for. Obviously, make sure you guys are looking into the estimated arrival time, the fees associated with this, whatever the case may be. So you can go ahead and press online bill payment, wire transfer, or EFT transfer. Go through the process that way, and then add money into your account. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to deposit money into your account on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.